Well, good morning, class, and welcome to Management 3626 Diversity in Organizations. So happy that you decided to enroll in this class. My name is Justin Lacey, and I will be your instructor for this fall. Again, I can't tell you how excited I am to see you all, and I think you're really going to learn a lot this semester. It's a really, really enjoyable course, and I just love teaching it. So, again, feel free to call me Justin. You don't have to call me Dr. Lacey or Professor Lacey whenever you address me. Justin is fine. I'll probably be using each of your first names, so feel free to do the same thing with mine. So as you can see, probably, I am not physically at UMSL itself. I'm actually just on the other side of town at St. Louis University. I'm the Director of Institutional Equity and Diversity at St. Louis University. So, but I have worked at UMSL actually. From 2016 to 2017, I actually worked at UMSL full-time as a senior HR consultant and the university's Title IX coordinator. So I'm very familiar with UMSL, just love UMSL, and I've been teaching this class for several semesters now. So again, I think you'll really enjoy it. And just know, even though I'm not physically on UMSL's campus, I am available on SLU's campus. So, while most of our communication will obviously be through email, feel free to, if you ever need to meet with me in person, I'm happy to do it. Just let me know when you'd be able to come over to SLU, and I can give you my office information and all that if you ever absolutely have to meet in person. But usually most of our conversation can occur through email, and if you need to call me, my phone number is on the syllabus as well. So. Again, I will usually post one module per week. I don't like to post several modules in advance because, again, the material we talk about is very detailed, requires a lot of thought and introspective views, so I don't want you to work too far ahead. So usually I will only post one module per week. On occasion, I may skip ahead and add a module, but generally I will just post one module a week. And most weeks we're going to have, one or two assignments due. Now, please pay very close attention to the due dates each week because generally, especially if we have a discussion forum where you'll be responding to your classmates, your initial post will almost always be due on Thursday night, and then your responses to at least two classmates will be due on Sunday. So that's a general week. In addition, we may have other assignments throughout the semester, and again, I'll talk about them as we get further and further along. But please make sure you pay attention to the due dates because, again, it's very, very important that you don't miss any. So, however, I do understand that there are times when, you get sick or your family gets sick or work gets in the way or whatever the reason may be. So if you ever find yourself falling behind in the class where you missed an assignment or forgot to turn something in on time, send me an email and let me know what's going on, and I'm sure you and I can work something out. I would love it if everybody gets, a really good grade in this class, and so let me help you to get to wherever you want to be. So again, don't hesitate to email me if you have additional questions or, if you miss an assignment, how we can get that made up. So. There's just the one textbook for this semester, Diversity in Organizations. It should be available in the bookstore, and if it's not, it'll be available through Cengage on the Canvas site, so you can access the ebook if you want that way. But again, make sure you have the correct edition because, again, a lot of times I make specific references to individual pages, and I want to make sure that you have the right information. So yeah, just the one textbook. You won't need anything else. The syllabus kind of lays out, what we're going to be talking about each week and talks about, the different assignments that we're going to have. So, if you have any questions about the syllabus, please let me know. So, but again, I think you're really going to enjoy this class. I know for a lot of people that have taken this class in the past, they told me that it was not only eye-opening for them, but it really made them think about, how, the interactions that they have in the workplace and how, how they learn from other people and how to appreciate everybody's background and what makes us unique as individuals. So, and I'm hoping by the end of the semester you will feel the same. So again, so great to have you in class. I can't tell you how excited I am. It's going to be a great fall semester. I think you'll really enjoy it. And again, if you have any questions, don't ever hesitate to let me know. Thanks, everyone.